What's up, everybody? I'm Jason. This is Freeburg Garage, and TC Bros hooked it up. Let's get to it. Open these boxes to get this handlebar set up. Done on the FXRT. Fantastic news. I'm stoked. TC Bros. Customer service, fantastic. After I shot them an email on my riser situation, couldn't get the top riser clamp to fit, and of course this is a 1 inch, and the one I have that came in the box is a 1 1/8. And they said, hey, we're just gonna send you the right parts. Stoked. There was pretty much no questions asked. Because of how long it was sitting on my shelf, I was kind of like, this is gonna be a lost cause. It's my fault for not trying to get out of the box sooner and bringing this to their attention. But essentially they just wanted to see some pictures, make sure that's what was going on, and bam, they shot out the parts next day. So I was super stoked, and I was in such a good mood with it that I actually went and purchased more parts from their website to finish up the handlebar setup. So we got some proper handlebars that will match with the TC Pro setup that we're doing for the modular pullbacks. I got some grips on there. I think I got a throttle adjustment. I got some bushings as well to go inside the handlebars. So stoked, got the whole setup through them at a fantastic price. They didn't offer me like a discount or something. It's not because of that. I just was super happy that they took care of me in the customer service, and I did right by just buying more and all the setup through the handlebars through them after doing it all. So super happy. We're gonna open up the box and make sure everything's there, and we'll get started on rolling this out. So we got 2 boxes to open up. We're gonna check this out. Should have all of our goods inside of here. Oh dang, all right, little keychain action. Bam! And some marketing there. They do have some of the best marketing though. They always throw in some sweet stickers, other stuff that's going on. All right, what we got here? We got our packing. Ticket. Okay, yep. So our top clamp here. All right, new clamp, old riser. Bam! Back in action. Looks beautiful. All right, and this is my actual order. Should have the handlebars, everything else, grips, all that good stuff in here. Woo. New handlebars, of course. We got our new bushings. I was talking about these, the solid bushings. They had the aluminum ones. My other bike has brass, so see how those go. We got our new grips as well. Look at that. And, oh yeah. Brand new throttle. Nice. Milled aluminum. Looks beautiful. All right, let's get the stuff on the bike. We're gonna pop out the old rubber bushings, place them with the new solid mount aluminum bushings. Huge upgrade, highly recommend these. Gain a little vibration, but way better control. All right, so let's pop these in. All right, out goes the first one. And the second one. There we go. And a little grimy in these holes, so we'll clean these up. Pop on our new bushings. Looks good. Same there. Awesome. Okay, and work on our first mount here again. So top, got myself brand new stainless steel fittings there. And we're gonna need the bottom bushing, of course. So that goes on the bottom and then doesn't hold itself there, so we will have to put this together all at once. So slide it through, just like that. Bam. And we will get this mounted up. Oh, blue Loctite, that's right. Get it with a little blue, as the direction says. Good there. First one down, second one. Looking good. Here are the handlebars we're going with. It's like their popular choice on their website. I wanted to go with the handlebar setup that matched with their TC modular setup, just to go one the same for the company. There is no internal wiring with these. I mean, everything is pretty much just solid. One bar. Feels nice, it's heavy, feels a couple more ounces as far as weight-wise compared to my other Sportster handlebars I showed in the last video. Same rise almost, same pullback. These are fairly inexpensive, 50, 60 bucks for the setup. Can't go wrong with it, because standard handlebars mostly come into like 120 bucks. So for what we're doing here, for the external wiring that we have for right now, sure work out great. And the modular setup here has a back cap that doesn't really allow for internal wiring anyways, unless if you just didn't run the back cap, which you could. That was a thought of mine, but for now, this will do. So let's see what they look like actually on the risers. And our middle clamp here. Here's, I seem to be missing one of the bolts somewhere laying around here. So, all right, that'll get us squared away. We can start getting everything else on the bars. A lot of different ways to put grips on. I just use compressed air, slips on real easy. So we'll start it up, get it on there. Could probably, yeah, you could even do it by hand, but this will make it a lot faster. There are two different sizes, remember that, because you got your throttle, which is much larger. So don't try to put your small one on there. We'll slide this on. We are good to go, all right? Now let's get the controls up, see how it looks. All right, we're gonna do the brake side first. Easy side. And where are all my controls? Here we are. Okay. And I wanted to see how the insides look, and they're like brand new. This is great. No corrosions, so less worries down the road for internal problems there. This clamped over. That sucks. Well, it's not over, but his handlebars, because of the no relief, I can't get my wiring to clamp down on this. Yeah, there's no other way. Too thick. I have to use a relief style cut in order to adapt for those wires. So I gotta flop these handlebars to this. That sucks. I was hoping to use these and I can't. Not even with this setup. It'd have to be internally wired, would be the only chance to get these to work. And I'm just not doing that until I know what handlebar I'm solely sold on. So, all right, bit of waste. Learn from my mistake. If you're using wiring, you need to have a relief if you're gonna wire on the outside or internal wire. So I'm gonna see you guys when I got this flipped back around and rebolted. All right, so see you guys in about 2 seconds. This allows us to continue and see everything through, okay? There we go. That allows us to buckle it right back up, perfect. All right, work that here a little more. Let's get our brake lever on. Beautiful, all right, let's have the other side. All right, hooking up our throttle cable here. This is what we got for our handlebar and riser setup so far, and I'm digging it. This actually feels really comfortable. I know I don't have a seat, so I'm gonna sit a little bit higher on this, but overall, with the risers, the bars, my hands feel comfortable, my shoulders feel great. I think it's gonna be a great setup for height and pullback for bars, and I'm looking for them. Sucks that I couldn't use the other ones, but didn't realize that I needed that relief cut on those bars to at least just have these externally wired. Or I'm gonna have to find ones that I can obviously internally wire once I'm really set. Because once you get into the internal wire, you really don't wanna go back because you're soldering or you're unplugging, it's just a huge mess. And with the amount of extra wires that I have because of the RT, I'm trying to do it one time. I'm not trying to go back for it. So really stoked. I think this is gonna be awesome for at least our temp, riding, or even permanently, depending on how much it really does feel good and not want to spend more into handlebars. And the other part, these grips, I want to know that they're open-ended. And at first I was like, all right, that's fine. But on the other side, I have some like rust going with the handlebars. I guess if it was brand new, it wouldn't be there obviously, but it just looks kind of, I don't know, unfinished. I wish these actually were capped just so it looks complete on both sides. My other grips have them, so definitely something that I wish I kind of knew before I purchased it, but it is what it is. There's my honest review on a little bit of what I have so far. But for now, guys, that'll last me in this one. I greatly appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button, tap that like, press the notification, leave a comment below, tell me what you think. And for those who've already subscribed, thank you. And as always, stay free. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.